Rotator cuff repair and bicep tendon repair. I had one of the two bicep tendons that run down your arm was almost totally torn. So that surgery took place a year ago last March, but because I have a connective tissue disorder, they have to be real careful in my rehab, and so I wasn't even allowed to get into rehab till probably about twice as long as the normal person would. How the whole pool came about is because of this connective tissue disorder, because I tend to tear, my muscles tear very easily. After they've constricted, they tend not to release. So then if I do any exercise that's a little bit too difficult as far as strenuous, it causes the tears to happen. So had a rheumatoid doctor and a connective tissue doctor and a regular doctor all say, you guys, she needs a pool. It not only helps me rehab, which has helped incredibly, which you'll see when I get in the pool, things that I've done to rehab the shoulder, but it also is the best form of exercise I can have and stay injury-free. There's no doubt when you have music, it makes exercise easier. I mean, not only do you get a beat to kind of go, and a lot of it is what I'm doing. I mean, if I'm doing a more hardcore exercise than I really like, a strong, whatever, sometimes I'm coming down just to kind of stretch out and relax, and it's just so we have that venue, and now we've got it both above and below.
And that's the nice thing, is to get it tuned so that there's really no difference whether your head's above water or your head is underwater. So if you're going to lie back and relax, you could have one ear up, one ear down, both ears up, both ears down. It doesn't matter. You're hearing the same sound everywhere you go.
Yeah, when you're in here, it kind of makes you forget that you're working hard.